Hi kids, welcome Shazi Kids Drawing. Today we will learn how to draw scissor, notebook, pencil and sharpener. I drawing the first scissor. Now I draw sharpener.
Let's go! A N I M O Animal.
Now I draw notebook. Now we will learn colors name. Brown, black, parrot green, yellow, dark green, sky blue, red, blue, green, pink, orange.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or more in my lunchbox.
On my plate.
5 handfuls or more fruit and veggies help my body and brain feel great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or more in my tummy.
Every day.
I'm a healthy 5 plus kiwi, and I eat 5 plus a day. Let's go! A N I M O アニモ。こんにちは、はじめまして、お久しぶり、みんなお友達。私の名前はかのんねさん、かのんねさん。にゃんにゃん、にゃんにゃん。猫が大好き、かのんねさん。私の名前はあきおねさん、あき
If you
おね
like
さ
my
ん。
video, then like, subscribe and share. See you next video.